morning, class. It is Monday, April 27th. So, today I wanted to go over a couple of things with the TCI program for social studies. I just want to point out that when we are in the Google Classroom, um, inside the social studies assignment, you'll see that I have actually put the clever login. I have told you exactly what I want you to do today, and I have included screenshots. Now, I did this last week, but there were still some people that were confused about what they needed to fill out. So, when you go into TCI today, you're going to read the section called Colonial Families. And then you're going to fill out the notebook section at the bottom of the page. And it looks like this. It's numbers 1, 2, and then I included another screenshot. So hopefully you guys are looking at the directions and the pictures and the videos that we're posting because they're important. Now, I wanted to just go ahead and show you that in the TCI program, once you log in, if you're still confused about where to go, you're going to go over to assignments. So you click on assignments, and then you'll see mine looks a little different, but you're going to see the assignment, and then you click on the little arrow. And for this one, it actually shows you can click on both of these if you're confused about what to do. This is the reading, explore colonial families. This is the notebook section. But if I click on colonial families, it will bring me to the screen that I read. And I'm going to read all about what it was like to live during the life during the time of the colonies. And then I read this. It's a long section, but it's good information because you're going to need it for research for the colony project. And then you'll see down here, it's right here. I need to type into here. And when I type into here, I need to make sure that it is saving my work. So I want to make sure that it saved my work. And it should show somewhere that it saved my work. Okay, if it doesn't show that it's saving your work, then you might need to go back and make sure before you log out that it has somehow said that it's saving your work. Now, I am in the teacher program, so it's possible that it's not showing because I am in the teacher program. Now, in yours, if it doesn't say, it's usually yellow about right here, it stays saved on the date and the time. Then you need to just maybe type it in a Google Doc and attach it to the assignment. When you are done, you need to mark it as done. Now, like I said before, this is really good information in here. I really need you to read it because we are going to start our colony projects this week. We're going to start doing research tomorrow. So, what that means is that you have the opportunity to pick a colony that you would like to research, and you can also pick 1 to 2 other people that you would like to do the project with, and you guys can do it together. So we'll talk more about that later on our Zoom meeting. Now, I want to go back and talk about math. So right now it's still plotting points on a grid. I just want to point out that it is important. I'll probably be making a video for tomorrow's lesson. It's important that you watch it because we have to start thinking about the number relationships for the structures that are being built and how it's kind of like a rule, like how is that changing? What's the rule with that? What's the pattern you notice? So I just want to point that out. My question for today is, what did you do this weekend? Is there anything that kind of stood out that you did this weekend? It was my husband's birthday, so we had a little Zoom party. We invited our family, and I baked a cake, and I made a special meal, decorated the house. A couple of friends kind of drove by and dropped off gifts. So that was kind of our big thing. So what did you do this weekend? I'm not everybody has a birthday, but it could have been like I watched a movie with my family or we went on a bike ride. It was really nice this weekend. So, what are some things that you did this weekend? All right, guys, so we do have a Zoom meeting at 2, And I do want to point out we do have some meeting etiquette rules that we need to start following. So I hope to see everybody at 2. All right. Have a good day.